Hi, how are you and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video we're going to see constructor function in JavaScript. Right, on my screen you can see that I have a constructor function named as student. Right, and make sure that the function name should start with a capital letter. Right, here in this case the function name is student and here you can observe that the S is in capital letter. Right, now since it's an student function, so I have some subject, marks and results. Right, so these all three things I have passed as the parameter into this constructor function, and then I am taking these values, accessing these values with the help of this keyword. Right, so if you haven't watched my previous video on this keyword, so go and watch that video so you can understand that what is this keyword in JavaScript is all about. Right, at last in this function only I have one function, arrow function. Right, this is my arrow function basically. So I've also made a video on this arrow function. You can go and watch that video so that you can understand what this arrow function is all about in JavaScript. Right, now in this arrow function I have a written keyword and it will going to tell me that if the marks are greater than or equal to 75, then for that subject the student will be eligible for award, and if it is less than 75, that means that he or she is not eligible for the award. Right, now after making this constructor function, the next thing what I'm going to do here is I will make my objects. Right, so I want to see the marks in the computer, mathematics, physics and chemistry. Right, so I have made these as the objects. Right, with the help of this new keyword before this constructor function, and whatever values will be there, like as the subject as the computer science, marks as 95 and the result as pass with honors greater than 75 marks. Right, so these things I'll pass this as the arguments over here, and this will be taken into consideration as the parameters. Right, so computer science as the subject, marks as 95 and the result it will going to take like this. Right, so these three things were passed over here, and according to these three things, these marks, this function will be executed. Right, but for calling this function we have different method. Right, and they are here only. Right, I will for a moment I have commented out these functions just to show you that if you will going to call these objects, right, so what you will get in the terminal. So I'll open my terminal and then first of all I'll clear my screen, and now I'm going to run this file. The file name is function.js, so I'll write function node function.js. Right, so here you can see that I'm getting my result. Right, subjects, marks, result from computer science, mathematics, physics and for the chemistry I'm getting all the three things, subjects, marks and results. And eligible award I'm just getting function anonymous. Right, so to check this, what we're going to do next here is we're going to just write after this object. Right, we're just going to call this function. Right, so now if I'll consider this code and I'll run my file in the terminal. So just a second, first of all I'll clear my screen and then I'm going to run this file again. Right, so here you can see that after this I'm getting eligible for award, not eligible for award and this not eligible for award. Reason being because here the marks are greater than 75, so I am eligible for award. Mathematics, the marks are 92, so it is eligible for award. Here the marks are less than 75. Right, marks are 72 and 38 respectively, so for that it is not eligible for award. Right, so this is all about constructor function in JavaScript. I hope that you have liked this video, and guys, if you are new on this channel, so I request you to kindly please subscribe it so that you can get the latest update from this channel, and also you can able to watch more videos like this. So thank you, that's all for this video, and I'll hope to meet you soon in the next video. Thanks for now.